Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you the sixth chapter of history, the decline of the Mughal Empire and the rise of independent empire. Today I am going to give you the question answer. So at first we'll start with the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blanks is the jizya tax was one dash with it will be non-Muslim, Muslim. The second will be Patna and Bengal. Third will be Muhammad Shah, and fourth Bara, then Golconda and Bijapur. Now the true false. The first is Bengal was attacked by Nadir Shah, who drained immense wealth out of the state. It is false. Next, the Asaf-Jahi dynasty was founded by Mir Kumuruddin Khan. It is true. The Marathas introduced chauth, a kind of revenue or tax to improve the economic condition of the Maratha state. It is true. The Maratha expanded only towards the south. It is false. And the Alivardi Khan was an able military officer in the court of the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah. It is also false. So now with the match the following. First is Murshid Quli Khan, Diwan of Bengal. Sadat Khan laid the foundation of our dynasty. Guru Gobind Singh, Khalsa, Mir Kumuruddin Khan. It is Nizam ul Mulk Hyder Ali, Arsenal at Dindigul, Sirajuddaulah, Battle of Plassey. Now we'll go to the question answer. Now the question answer. The first question is, when did the Mughal Empire start declining? So the answer will be the Mughal Empire start declining in 18th century. When? In 18th century. Then the next is, how were the latter Mughal responsible for the decline of the empire? In this question we'll write only 3 points, but the point will be just heading, and this will get in the page number 59 and 60. So we came to the page number 59. Here it will be only word of succession, only this one. And this part I have marked, it is for the long question answer, but don't think it is, since the question answer is short, so we have to write word of succession, inept successor. Next page, Aurangzeb policy, failure of Jagirdari and Mansabdari system, or foreign invention. In the bold lines which is written in red, this line you have to write any 3 to 4 points you can write. Okay, now the third question, why were Jagirs given to the officer? As we know, Jagirs means land, so no need of writing these things. So let's come to the page number 60, and we are getting to see the third number here. The Mughal officers were given Jagirs as payment for the military service during the rule of Akbar. And this is the answer. Full if you write full, then no need to copy the question. No need to write the question. Then this one only write this full. The answer will be completed. Now come to the fourth question. The fourth question is, how were the policies of Aurangzeb responsible for the decline? It is also written in page number 60. So let's come to the page number 60. So we are getting to see the Aurangzeb policies over here. Till we will write lot of discontentment till here. Okay, it is the answer of question number 4, which is Aurangzeb policies, and you must write the full, otherwise it will be not completed or incomplete. Means full means where till here it is necessary and most important. Since it is a short question, we can't cut in this between of the lines. Thank you. And the fifth will be written in page number 67, and the question is, what was the extent of the Maratha kingdom? So we'll write like this: the extent of the Maratha kingdom was due to, it is on the page number 67. So let's go to that page number. So we already came in this page number, and the answer is due to the third battle of Panipat in 1761. It is completed. Now comes to the long question answer. The first question is given: mention the factors that led to the decline of the Mughal Empire. It is on the page number 59 and 60. And one more thing, you listen. The second question: what were the factors of the led to the rise of the independent kingdom? It is in the page number 59 and 60. And both 1 and 2 are same. I have already written here. You can see. So let's go that page number and mark it. First point will be the war of succession. War of succession broke out between Aurangzeb's three sons after his death. Among them, Bahadur Shah I, also known as Shah Alam I, ascended the throne in 1707. Soon after his death, another war of succession started between his four sons. So after writing this, it is the first point. Second point is inept successor. Aurangzeb ruled over the vast empire with an iron grip. The rulers after Aurangzeb, known as the later Mughals, did not have, start from here, then the next page, have the administrative skill till here. And the third point is the Aurangzeb policies till here to here, and it is over. Now the next question, E3. Since I have already told that E1 and E2, or the long question 1 and 2, are same. So I came to the page number 69, means the question answer, where E3 means who was Nadir Shah, how did his attack affect the Mughal Empire. It is also written in page number 60 and 61. So let's go to that page number. So I am keeping this page like this since the answers start from the Persian ruler Nadir Shah invaded Delhi in 1739. Nadir Shah attacked, weakened the Mughal Empire. He looted immense wealth from Delhi, means this page from Delhi. He even took away the invaluable Kohinoor diamond and the beautiful peacock throne, which were the symbol of Mughal grandeur and glory. It is the answer from for the question number E3. Now next question, which is E4. The fourth question is, what do you know about the religion kingdom of Bengal? It is in the page number 62. And write it from the Murshid Quli Khan, the Diwan of Bengal, to the 18th century, here to here. And the fourth is over. Now the fifth one. Fifth one is how was the kingdom of Awadh formed? We are getting this answer in the page number 62 from here to here. Mark it. Now the sixth one. So we came to the question number 6. What was the battle of Panipat in 1769 fought over? How did it affect the Marathas? So it is in the page number 67. And the answers start from a major problem to the Empire of India till here to here. And with this our video ends. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and need to forget to press the bell icon. And surely you put a like. Thank you.